warning. Before we start this episode concludes to the greatest game show of all time, called Jeopardy. And let's get started with the video already. Let's see what time this is. Jerry, wake up. What is it? So I found this new Jeopardy event and will be coming out soon. Really? Yeah. And how much is the cost? It's the cost to entry. $100. I have $100. Okay, here. And when did you see it? This morning. Flashback. No. The greatest. Oh, let's see the trailer. The greatest Jeopardy event is about to happen. 3 country balls. 1 tournament. And 1 personal competition. We present to you CountryBall Jeopardy. Look at coming out at 11:30. Oh my goodness! I got it. So yeah, Germany. So what's the number? The number is 803 is 900-312-577 33121. The number is 800-321 566 and 30,000 and 3,420 and 20. Oh, let's go there. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, so is everyone ready to see the most? Okay, we're at Final Jeopardy. Okay, so when it was time for Final Jeopardy. Okay, it's time to see. Okay, now it's time to see the results. Okay, let's start with you, Vietnam. Okay, so let's see what was your response. Who is Hayden? I'm sorry, that's incorrect. What did you wager? Oh, knocking it down to 0. Let's go over to Australia now. And let's see what you weigh, and let's see who was your response. Who is Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart? Unfortunately, that's not correct. And how much did you wager? 300,051. All of it. Also knocking you down to 0. And finally, let's go down to Germany. I know that I got a couple of answers wrong, but I still made it to Final Jeopardy in this comeback. Did he get? And now let's go. And now let's go over to Australia. And your response was, who's Ludwig van Beethoven? That is correct. How much did you wager? $1,000. That came down to $600 to $6,000. Now let's go with Germany, who is in second place, and now he got. Let's see if the response was correct. Did you get Ludwig van Beethoven? Drum roll, please. He did. Who is Ludwig van Beethoven? How much did you wager? 625. That's a lot. Congratulations, Germany. You are the winner for this round. Have a great weekend. We'll see you tomorrow. When Germany went home. Hey Jeremy, congratulations for winning CountryBall Jeopardy. Oh really? Thanks. It was great. That was all just a dream. Now I have to do it all over again. Hey, wait, that was just a dream. Now I have to do it all over again. Hey Jeremy, I just wanted to congratulate you for winning Jeopardy. Thank you so much. The end.